Hey guys, welcome back. So today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get a modded version of your favorite game. What's it called? Doomsday. So as you can see, here we are, really poor. But if I press this button, I can actually turn on unlimited diamonds. So let's see if it goes up. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version for your device. So this is super cool. So let's just wait for it to load. Should be good to go. So as you can see, 450 right now, so hopefully it starts going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this for your device. So let's see if it increases, and there we go. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So first thing is go to this site. So it's called Mod. So just type like Doomsday, and as you can see, we have the Doomsday right there. So before this downloads, it's going to be a verification, so you just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free. So we'll just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So yeah, it's super cool. So we'll just wait for this to load, and we should be good to go. So as you can see, we got the Apple and Android logos right there, so it does work on both. So I'm just going to wait for this to load up, and we should be all set. So let's see if this works. All right, so we got the circle. So at the end, it's going to say like missing files. So you just want to download some of these from the list. So we got like Family Town, DraftKings says install and open. So peace out, guys. It's so easy. Family Island says reach level 11. So I'm going to see you guys later. We're going to try it out, get the word out. But yeah, hopefully this video works for you. So yeah, have fun. This is super awesome. So that's how I get it for your device. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So if this video works for you, be sure to tell your friends, and peace out.